We will guide you through how to save Photoshop logo without background. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and load the project containing the Photoshop logo you want to save without a background. Once the project is open, go to the Layers panel and locate the layer that contains the Photoshop logo. Select the logo layer so you can confirm that you are working with the correct part of the image. Next, find the background layer and hide it by clicking the eye icon beside that layer. Look at the canvas and check that only the logo remains visible, with the area around it showing transparency instead of the original background. Carefully inspect the logo edges and make sure they look clear and clean, without unwanted background colors, marks, or leftover areas around the logo. When the logo looks correct, open the File menu at the top of Photoshop and select Save a Copy to begin creating a separate copy of the image. In the File Format options, choose PNG as the file type because PNG can preserve transparency around the logo. Enter a suitable file name for the image so it is easy to recognize when you need to find it later. After entering the file name, once the location and file name are correct, click Save to continue with the export. Photoshop may then display PNG settings before completing the process, so review those settings carefully and make sure they are suitable for the logo you are saving. Confirm the settings and allow Photoshop to finish creating the PNG file. After the export is complete, go to the location where you saved the image and open the new PNG file. Check the Save logo carefully and make sure the background remains transparent, with only the Photoshop logo visible and no unwanted background appearing around it.